In this video, we're going to go over Bamboo HR and why we use it. Pretty much in short, Bamboo HR is used to request time off, and it also has all your personal information in there. And also, if you want to look up some employees, if you're a manager, you want to look up someone's number that you need to give a call to, all that information will be in there. Once you're hired, you'll be given your email address, your card data email address, and a login info to get into this. So once you log in, the first place it prompts you is the home screen. Home screen is where you request time off. Obviously, it shows you time off, paid time off if you have any, depending on how long you've been with the company. And it shows you on the bottom where you see calendar, it says out today. It shows you who's out for today. So if you scroll down here, it'll show you, 4 people out today. And who's out for the rest of the month. It'll show you the dates and everybody who's on vacation. This is a good tool for managers to use so they can keep up with the schedule and who needs coverage and who needs what. In the company link, you'll find all the company links. This is what we use: the invoice portal, the order portal, the time clock, and hopefully we'll have Training University coming soon. So if you need time off, where you would go is you would go to request time off here, and you will select your dates. Once you select your dates, you hit continue. If you do have paid time off, you can use the paid time off that you have accumulated, or you can just say time off. The important thing you want to do is add your notes. We just need to know why you're taking time off. Is it for a vacation? Is it for a doctor's visit? Is it for whatever? So just add your notes here, vacation. And you hit send. Once that's done, it gets sent to the manager, and the manager will review all the schedule for those specific dates and see if we can give you that time off, and it will send you an email back saying approved or not approved. Inbox is when you need a form or W-4 form to be sent to you to look over or to fill out. Christy, the manager, will send you that through this app, and you'll go in that form, and then you can fill all the information you need, and then submit it, and then she should get it from this app. People is all the employees that we have in the company. As a manager, we use this a lot. If we need to know someone's contact information, we can just pull it up. It gives you his mobile number, his email address, and all that fun stuff. And obviously, my info is where all your personal info is, your phone number and all that stuff. It's got your bank stuff. It's got your driver's license and all that stuff. We don't use jobs, time off. It tells you how many time off you use over the time you've been with the company. Performance, we don't use that. Emergency contact, it would be if your wife or your significant other, your mom, your dad, you put that information in here, and always make sure it's updated, because if something happens to you, we have someone that we can call and find out if they know anything has happened to you. Documents is all your documents you signed when you got hired, and if you have benefits, it would also show up here. So this is pretty much it for the Bamboo HR app. And this is what we use it for, pretty much. Requesting time off and keeping your personal info up to date so no issues happen in the long run. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.